I'm back with more examples. Sorry, I giggle because I do this every time I start a video. Go back and watch, and you'll see every video start with this. It's annoying. All right, I got two examples up here. We're going to do them the exact same way, same approach, even though the problems look different. So I'm just going to dive in, work through these problems for examples. You can take a look, pause, do them, come back and see if we match. It's a good little practice. So here, I need to start by factoring. So this is going to give me 6n over n plus 6 times n minus 4 plus 1 over n plus 6 equals 1 over n minus 4. So from here, I'm going to try to find my LCD. So my LCD's got to include my n plus 6's, and then I've got to use my n minus 4's. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply every fraction by n plus 6 times n minus 4. So we're going to see me come in right here, n plus 6 times n minus 4, and I'm going to distribute that in. But here you're going to see me do this in a little bit of a shortcut method, so I don't have to write so much down. All right? From here, if I multiply n plus 6 times n minus 4 to 6n, and then divide by n plus 6 times n minus 4, those are both going to reduce out, leaving me with 6n. Okay? Here, plus, my n plus 6's are going to reduce out, and I'm left with 1 times n minus 4 equals, here, my n minus 4's are going to reduce out, leaving me with 1 times n plus 6. So now my problems have been multiplied together. I'm ready to simplify and solve. So I have 6n plus n minus 4 equals n plus 6. So over here that's 7n minus 4 equals n plus 6. I'm going to minus my n over 6n minus 4 equals 6. I'm going to add the 4. So that gives me 6n equals 10. Divide by 6. I have 10 over 6, which is going to reduce to 5/3. There's my n. That green's kind of light. It's readable. You got it. All right. So again, factor, find the LCD, multiply by the LCD, simplify and solve. Check. All right, second problem. There's no plus or minus here, but the process is still the same. We're already factored, so I'm just going to look for my LCD, which in this case, I'm just going to multiply them together, so that's x plus 8 times x plus 1. So I'm going to come in, and I'm going to multiply by x plus 8 times x plus 1, and I'm going to distribute it to both terms here. Here, my x plus 8s will reduce, and that's going to leave me with 4 times x plus 1. Here, my x plus 1s reduce, leaving me with 8 times x plus 8. So no more denominators. Now I'm just ready to solve. So I get 4x plus 4 equals 8x plus 64. So I'm going to minus my 4x. So 4 equals 4x plus 64. I'm going to minus my 64 over. So negative 60 equals 4x. And I divide by 4. So 60 and 4 are divisible by 2. So that's going to give me negative 30 over 2. Oh my heavens, which is 15? So let's make that answer x equals negative 15, and we'll pretend that didn't happen. Okay, find the LCD, multiply it, simplify and solve. I'll come back with some harder examples.